Hi, my name is Chris, and I will be demonstrating our project for CS410. As you see here, here's our dashboard, and the question right now is which draft class we want to go to. In this demo, I will type in the year 2012 and put that. And here we have a list of players from the draft class of 2012. It has their round pick and career points. Once we select a player, I chose Anthony Davis. You can go into inspect element, and then we wait for our backend to load. As you see here, an object has been loaded. For Anthony Davis, we have 200 documents. Each document contains a description of the document, the title of the document, and a sentiment object. I'm just going to click on the sentiment object here, and we have the amount of negative words, the amount of positive words, which are currently 0 for this document, and the different amount of tokens. That score up there is 0 right now for this document, which essentially means that it is not positive or negative. As we move along, here's another article, and we see here our sentiment value is 1. Our negative words are no, and our positive words are prospect. So this is the end of our project demo, and as you see here, we've queried about 200 documents, and we have sentiment scores for each document. In addition to this, as well on our backend, we had a feature where we used a naive Bayes classifier to look at past documents and past document scores and compare that to players in this draft to see and predict how they would do. One of the major issues that we had and we came across with was that Google would block our queries when we query too much, and seeing as there's 60 players in a draft class for the NBA for a specific year, we found that often Google would block us, which would definitely hamper the amount of time it took for us to query all the documents, and it was hard to get around, and we weren't able to actually create it in a dynamic setting that we have right now for just querying a single player. So thus we decided to ditch that one functionality, but creating a naive Bayes classifier is something that with our code set up right now could easily be done. Really, it was only just a couple extra lines that we had it implemented, but we decided to take it away due to the problems that we had with Google.